right, so we've gone over the spinning side kick, spinning back kick. We're going to go over the horse kick now. So from my fighting stance, this is very different from your back kick because I'm not turning all the way over, okay? Basically what I'm doing is I turn and I pivot, I'm staying, spotting here, straight back like a mule kick. But this is a very interesting technique. This is an old school Taekwondo technique, okay? I'm either pivoting or I'm stepping. Now, I don't turn and look over this shoulder. I stay looking over my left shoulder, okay? And I kick straight back. Be careful not to twist your back on this technique, all right? So it's here, I'm turning, stepping, or pivoting. Here, I'm spotting over this shoulder. So there is a blind spot when you kick, just a slight one. But you are spotting over this shoulder, okay? You just have to actually learn how to feel. There we are. As far as my foot positioning, I'm trying to keep my toes down, okay? If my foot comes out, it rotates more like a side kick, that's all right as well. So this is the horse kick. Give this move a shot. This is a fantastic technique, and you don't see it that often.